2026. Mercedes Motorhome redefines the meaning of luxury travel with its cutting-edge design and outstanding performance. From the very first glance, its sleek aerodynamic body, elegant chrome accents, and premium LED headlights capture attention on every road. Step inside to discover a world crafted for ultimate comfort, featuring wide leather sofas, a fully equipped smart kitchen, a luxurious sleeping area, and a modern bathroom designed with high-end fittings. Every feature inside is connected through a seamless smart control system, allowing passengers to adjust lighting, temperature, and entertainment from their smartphones. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is powered by a high-efficiency diesel engine, offering smooth handling and exceptional fuel economy on highways, mountains, and even rugged terrains. Safety remains a top priority, with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an intelligent emergency braking system. The motorhome is also equipped with solar panels to keep your adventures eco-friendly and power supplies uninterrupted. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long journey across the country, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome ensures that every mile is filled with comfort, innovation, and style. Experience a new era of freedom, where every destination feels like home, and every journey is an unforgettable luxury adventure with Mercedes' trusted engineering at your side.